Hello guys, for today's video we will have a review in mathematics. So question number 1, we have given x minus 3 squared plus 7 equals 2x plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to show you the solution. So in order to find the constant term, we need to simplify first the x minus 3 squared. So I'm going to write it here, x minus 4. X minus 3 squared plus 7 is equals to 2x plus 1. So you need to simplify this. So it means you will multiply it twice, x minus 3 times x minus 3. But there's a shortcut method, shortcut way. So first term raised to the second will be x squared. Then multiply x times negative 3 times 2. So the answer is negative 6x. And the negative 3 to the power of 2 is equals to positive 9. So instead of doing x minus 3 times x minus 3, so do the shortcut. Okay? I will repeat. X squared. So this is the answer. X times negative 3 times 2, negative 6x. Then negative 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. Then add 7 here. Then equals 2x plus 1. Then after that, transpose, then equate to 0. So the result now will be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 7 minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then combine like terms. So we have now x squared. So we can combine this. In the calculator, you can do negative 6, negative 2, the answer is negative 8. So just press negative 2, negative 6, negative 2 equals. Then the calculator will give you the answer. So negative 8x, then 9 plus 7 minus 1 is equals to 15, positive 15. Is it correct, positive 15? Yes, okay, equals 0. Then, therefore, the constant term is, the value of c equals 15. So this is the answer. So this is the constant. When you say constant term, the terms without the variable beside on it. Question number 2. When the quadratic equation x plus 7, x minus 5 equals 2 times x plus 3 is written in standard form, what is the value of a, b, and c? So I'm going to write first the equation. So we have alright. So ano nangyari? What happened? First thing to do is multiply x plus 7 then x minus 5. Again, instead of distributive property, you can do the shortcut way. So x times x, we have x squared. And then multiply this, multiply the outer and the inner term. So we have 7x, and then we have negative 5x, then add. So the result is equals to 2x. So that will be your middle term, instead of doing distributive property. And then multiply the last term, 7 times negative 5 equals negative 35. Then equals, distribute the 2, so 2x plus 6. And then after that, transpose, equate to 0. So we have now x squared plus 2x minus 35 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. By the way, once you transpose the number or the terms, you are going to change the sign. So example 2x, it will become negative 2x, then 6 will become negative 6. Then after that, combine like terms. So we have now x squared, then 2x, the negative 2x will become 0. Then negative 35 minus 6 is equals to negative 41, is equals to 0. So therefore, a equals 1, b equals 0, then c equals negative 41. Let's proceed to question number 3. So we have, what are the roots of the quadratic equation? X squared minus 121 equals negative 21. So if this is the case, you will see that the quadratic equation is incomplete quadratic equation. The best method is extracting square root. Okay, all you have to do is transpose the negative 121 on the right side. So we have x squared is equals to negative 21 plus 121. So negative 21 plus 121 is equals to 100. Then that's the time to remove the exponent 2. All you have to do is apply subtracting square root. So squaring both sides of the equation, we have cancelled the 2 and the index. So the answer will be x. Then square root of 100 is equal to positive negative 10. So always put the positive and negative once you apply the square root property. So this is now the final answer. So this is the roots of the quadratic equation. Question number 4. Given the equation 4b squared minus 20 is equals to 80. So we are going to solve for b using extracting square root. So the variable used here is b. All you have to do is transpose 20. So we have 4b squared is equals to 80 plus 20. Then 4b squared is equals to 100. Okay, then we need to remove 4 by dividing both sides. Then we have now b squared is equals to 100 divided by 4 is 25. Then that's the time you are going to apply extracting square root. Once you have this b squared equals 25, so square both sides of the equation. So we have now b is equals to positive negative 5. So this is the final answer. Question number 5. The sum of the roots of our quadratic equation is negative 1. So sum is equals to negative 1. If one of the roots is 5, so x equals 5, find the quadratic equation. So you are going to think another roots wherein when we added, the answer is negative 1. So the possible roots is equals to negative 6. Because once we added 5 plus negative 6, the answer is negative 1. Now, so we will use these two roots to find the equation. So first, transpose 5, then transpose negative 6. So the answer now, the factors will be x minus 5 times x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then multiply x times x equals x squared. Then x times 6 equals 6x. Then negative 5 times x equals negative 5x. Then negative 5 times 6 equals negative 30 is equals to 0. Then combine like terms, we have 6x minus 5x, we have x squared plus x minus 30 is equals to 0. So this is now the quadratic equation. Okay. Question number 6. Given the equation x over x plus 3 is equals to 7 over 3x, identify the values of a, b, and c. You will notice that the given equation is a rational equation. So all we have to do is we will get the LCD of this equation. So the LCD is x plus 3 and 3x because the denominators are different. So we will use that as our LCD. So all you have to do is multiply both sides of the equation. We have x plus 3 times 3x, then x plus 3 times 3x. So if we will multiply this x plus 3 and 3x to x over x plus 3, of course we will cancel x plus 3. And then 3x times x equals 3x squared is equals to multiplying 7 over 3x to the LCD. So we will cancel 3x and 3x. So we have now 7 times x equals 7x. Then 7 times 3 is equals to 21. So from that, we need to arrange the equation into standard form of quadratic equation. All you have to do is transpose 7x, then a positive 21. So we have now 3x squared minus 7x minus 21 is equals to 0. A equals 3, B equals negative 7, and C is equals to negative 21. So this is now your answer. The values of A, B, and C, we have 3, negative 7, and negative 21. Question number 7. The area of the square chessboard is 1024 cm squared. Find the length of each side in centimeters. The formula for finding the area of a square is area is equals to side squared to the power of 2. Now, since given the area, 1024 is equals to s squared. We just only substitute the area here in the formula. Then we can apply extracting square root here to find the side. By the way, the s represents the side of a square. So we have now extracting square root. We have s is equals to the square root of 1024 is 32. So therefore, the side of a square is 32 cm. So this is now the answer.